Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic that many of you have been curious about: how to change your body type in Cameo Snapchat. If you want to customize your Cameo avatar to better reflect your preferred body type, this full guide is for you. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Now scroll down through the settings options until you find Cameos. Tap on it to enter the Cameo settings. Step 5. Within the Cameo settings, you'll see the option Change Cameo Body Type. Tap on it. Step 6. A new screen will appear, presenting you with different options for body types. Select the suitable option that aligns with your preferences and desired representation. By following these steps, you can easily change your body type in Cameo Snapchat, allowing you to personalize your avatar and make it truly your own. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.